Hey guys, it's Wendy Mac. Thanks for coming back to my channel for another unboxing. This is with Concord 9th. This is a part of their Black Friday deal. Yes, it's been a while. Where you purchased $150 worth of product and you got $100 worth of free product as a grab bag. I did get this back in the end of December, so it has been a while. Um, And please forgive my lighting in this video. I promise it's going to get better in the future as we eagerly go forward. Okay, so here we are sorting through this. We're just trying to figure out what was purchased, what's free. I couldn't quite remember until it got to the bottom, and then it helped me remember. Everything's in a nice little package. So I opened it upside down. But anyways, there we go. I got 4 sets of these adorable dot in neutral colors, of course, because I'm a neutral gal. I'm sorry. But they're absolutely adorable. Like in, of course, brown, gray, and dark blue. Sorry, you can't really see them with the lighting, but they are really cute. Here's the paper posy dies. These are so pretty. So the centers, I mean, they have the prettiest centers. I just hadn't seen any of them like that before. They even have a 2D embossing folder here that goes with them to make like a crepe texture. So I look forward to using those. Now this is what I was going for. Their pop-up shop base die. I did get their landscape. They have like a horizontal one too, but it's got so many cute little dies going there. You got your sign and your lamp and your windows and your door and your flowers, leaves, your roof, and even having a cute little inspiration picture on the back there. It's so cute. But I got this because it had so many other add-ons with it that you can use for. Well, I plan on using for my journals, but anything, cards, cute cards. But here's one of the add-ons here. It's like at the bake shop, and I just love to use this for like a recipe journal or anything. You got your bread, your cupcakes, your shelf, all kinds of cute little dies. And here's their bookshop add-on. It's got your books, your lamps, your ladder, even little kitty. You can put any kind of critter on there, I suppose. And then another add-on is their fashion shop. Wonderful for like maybe a vintage Hollywood or a vintage gal theme journal. You got pretty lamp mirrors, table purses, boots, high heels. You even have your dress form there. So even a sewing journal that would work for. Adorable. Now I did get a turnabout. This is a Bitty Burst turnabout. I've never used one. Apparently you need a jig. But I'm pretty sure there's a way that you can create your own somehow or figure it out. It has a few little sentiments in there too to go with it. And then here is a blended petals stencil. It's like really cheap. So that's why I got it to get to the 150, but it's like a 4 stencil to make that pretty image there. And then there's a turnabout confetti dots stencil. I don't know why I got this the Bitty Burst, but oh well. Maybe it'll make a cute background with them both. Here's another one. It's a True Story dies that I'm going to plan on theming out. It's got all kinds of pretty. It has a hello word, all kinds of decorations. Even you make your books right there at the top, make them straight. There's a inspiration there, but it also comes with this stamp set on the side here. As you can see, there's not dies for that love or the flowers or whatever, but they have the stamps. So you can use stamps or dies on them, or like I plan on using any other ones, other dies too for different things. But here we go. Here is the free stuff. I gotta say, I was blown away. This thank you die, I thought it was part of the free stuff, but it actually came out to be a part of that Bitty Burst. It was like a bundle. So Anyways, this is the free $100 worth of stuff. And again, this is just amazing here. Here's Our Love Story. It's an adorable book. I can definitely see myself embossing. This is a book cover with all the other cute sentiments for card making as well. It's absolutely adorable. So my next set there is called the Perfectly Tied. I don't know why. I was just going crazy over this book cover. Again, I just look so forward to using that. But it's called the Perfectly Tied Stamps Set and Die Set. I was trying to figure it out there, but it has like a couple of bows and of course sentiments. Um, you're so lovely, happy birthday. Then you had these dies go with it. So I was kind of figuring out like, okay, what goes with what? And apparently there's a total of five bow dies, I think, and two bow stamps. Um, that, and of course, it looks like you can also, cut out some of the sentiments with like two of those dies there, or three. And then the next set that I got for free was this Kitchen Classics stamp set and die set. Too adorable. It even had the lids. When I noticed it had the lids, I'd freaked out. But just think of all the ways you can turn these things. I mean, flower pots or baskets or, pedestals or even signs. I mean, all kinds of cool ways you can. It even has even a hello die in there for your cards and, different ways to decorate stamps in there to decorate your goodies. So absolutely adorable. Concord and Knot has they have so many. They just pay attention to detail. It's huge. They even got 2 packs of their cardstock. This first one is called Cayenne. Um, Again, this is like 12 sheets, 8.5 by 11. I didn't know what the GSM is, but it feels like a cover weight. It's really nice weight. Though it's like a beautiful vintagey deep red orange, absolutely gorgeous. Here's a Stardust card. Um, Again, it's another 12 sheets. It's like a beautiful vintage yellow, right up my alley. I can't believe all these items were originally $100. I'm definitely going to be a part of any sale like this at Concord 9th has in the future. I got a fantastic deal and hopefully more add-ons for the pop-up shop will be coming. But anyways, thank you guys so much for coming by and checking this out with me. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day. Bye.